Hello guys, this is Rubel from Bfix. So today I came with the same TV box, that is the TV box review I have put on my channel for the first time. For the first time when I put this mechanism on my channel, how to fix the hang and crash and reboot issue of this cheap $15 MXQ 4K TV box. There were no other channel who have that mechanism. Nowadays you can find this same exact similar mechanism what I have described, what I have presented, what I have discovered in any other, on many other channels. Okay, but if you see just the timeline, you will figure it out that my channel was the first channel which provided the 100% working solution for reboot and logo hang. Okay, but that's that. So today what we'll do, today I have come with the exact same TV box. I bought it to review it for you guys. So on today's video I will try to review this video, what this box has, what kind of feature it has, what is the capacity of this $15 cheap Android TV box. Okay, but before that, please friends, before watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe my video. Okay, let's check what it is. Okay, so it says at the beginning, it says Android 10.1. I don't know, is there any 10.1 or whatever. I know there is an Android 10, but it says Android 10.1 and it is 4 gigabytes RAM and 64G memory. Okay, so most of those points are really wrong. It is not right, but that's what they publicize on the box. Okay, so it's probably, usually what happens, it will be like maximum 256 MB of RAM, or probably like at max 800 MB. If you are lucky, probably it will have 800 MB of RAM, and then like because it's Android 10, so it needs a little bit of RAM, so it will have 800 MB of RAM, and then there will be like it's not 64 GB for sure, it will be like probably like 32 or probably 16 gig, maximum 16 gig. How you will understand it, if you download some video from torrent, if you use torrent, if you download any video inside this one, you will know, like after downloading just 2 gigs, your TV box will start rebooting. Why? Because your internal memory is exhausted. Okay, so I'm just talking about the details, but let's get back to the review of this thing. So it says Android TV box is a multimedia gateway. It's an internet TV. Okay, it's an Android TV box for sure because it's a 10.1. It's a multimedia gateway. Yeah, you can make it a multimedia gateway if you install the Kodi. If you install the Kodi inside it, then it will be a multimedia. It's an internet TV. Yes, for sure you can install. It's an Android, so you can install any kind of like IPTV software or whatever, then you can make it an Android TV box. But it doesn't come with any IPTV, it doesn't come with Kodi, it doesn't have any Amazon, that doesn't have anything, so you have to really install everything. Okay, so it says it's a 64-bit CPU. Yes, really I'm not sure, we'll check it out. So it's an H.265. okay, I have seen it's like H.264, but I'm not sure like it's an H.265. It says it's 4K. Okay, it cannot run 4K video, I can assure you that. I tried to run the 4K video on it, and then it's rebooted. Okay, so it cannot run 4K video. Yeah, let's open it. Okay, before that, it says TV box is the newest generation multimedia play, blah 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 blah. It plays 2D 3D games, blah blah blah. It has Skype, blah, blah, blah. Oh yeah. It has a 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, that one is correct. It has a 4.2 or 2.4 gigahertz of Wi-Fi. It support advanced features such as PP and DL and Miracast. Okay, you need the app to support those things. Okay, so let me open this one. Okay, I opened it. Oh, see how it package is really neat and clean. It's nice. Okay, so first of all, what it has. Okay, here is an adapter. It's an US standard adapter. Okay, that's it. What is the rating of this one? You see, it's an ACDC. It says 5 volt 2 ampere. Okay, so that's that. and this is the TV box. It's very thin. Okay, hot included. Okay, so it has an HDMI cable, which is good to have. It has a remote control, so remote control has all of those buttons, I guess, setup, blah blah blah. Okay, so, and let me open it to see. So it needs two AAA batteries. Okay, it needs two. All right, and there inside there is a manual. Okay, you don't need the manual really, it's just useless. So let's open it. So it has two cover for it. One is outside, and then there is an internal wrapper of this one. It's a wrap. Okay, so you can see there is like, it says USB 1, USB 2, USB 3. Okay, so there are like 3 USB this side, and there is another one 4, and then there is an Ethernet connection 5, then there is an HDMI connection. Okay, it's an HDMI connection. That's it. It's written down HD, so it supports HD. It's not 4K. Okay, you guys can answer. Okay, and there is a 5-volt connection that is. It's an audio video. This is an audio video jack, and then there is an SPDIF connection, so you can use for audio. And this is a AB. It's a single cable for audio and video. They didn't. I think no, they didn't provide it to us. Like it's not included. You have to buy it if you want to use such kind of cable in your old analog TV. So there is an SD card reader. It says SD MMC. So there are like two slots. Okay, I can see one is like for bigger, and then other one is like smaller card. So you can use two card in here, MMC and then SD. Okay, so that's it. That's it, I think. Okay. So that's it. It's not too heavy. It's very cheap. $15. It's not that heavy. Okay, it's very. So here is the date. You can see 21st February 10/14. So it was made in 2014. It has a MAC address though. Okay, that's it, guys. So as you know, this is not like an very good, very big TV box. It is a cheap $15 TV box, so what you can expect. But you can certainly run Kodi on it, play lots of movie, you can download torrent video, you can install Netflix on it, but Netflix doesn't work, so forget about it. Netflix will provide error on this device, so you cannot use Netflix on it. You can use Amazon Prime Video, so that is good. Disney Plus, yes, you can probably run on it. So that's it. So forget about Netflix. Just you can watch probably IPTV and then Amazon. But certainly if you have an old TV which doesn't have Android or Google TV or whatever, you can use this one to at least make your TV smart. Alright, so that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye everyone. Take care. Cheers.